Welcome to the channel. I'm John and this is Gold Loco. And in this video, we're going to talk about a business that you can get involved with right away. Please like and subscribe to the channel so that you're always notified of a new video whenever it's posted. Over the next several weeks and months, I'm going to be posting quite a few videos. So if you hit that notification bell, you'll know right when I post it to get right on the video for more important information that I'm going to be sharing with you. Obviously, we're dealing with an economy right now that is very, very difficult. Millions and millions of people are out of work and they're searching, and I want to dedicate this channel, at least for the next few weeks and certainly probably over the next couple months, specifically to this company called Mint Builder. I've been involved with this company since 2016, and it's a company that basically allows you to save collectible coins and precious metals. But they also have a referral program associated with it where you can actually earn off of referring this to other people. This is an affiliate program. But this is unlike any affiliate program that you've ever seen, the way that they have engaged with everyone and created this new payment model and business model. It's very, very simple. In other videos, we'll go into that specifically. But I want to make these videos very, very short, quick to the point, so that just within a couple minutes you get and understand exactly what they're about. So this is their main page. On another video, I'll go through a funnel that they've created that you can send out. There's incredible support with this company. But I just wanted you to see this main page that they have. Very, very attractive page. There's lots of information that you can go through on this page. An individual can just take a couple minutes and really get a feeling and an understanding of what they're trying to do, which is basically to save precious metals over time and to build a business around it. Very, very simple. So on this, again, on this first page, they have subscriptions. We're going to go through all of this, but I just wanted to quickly let you see this. You can go here and then register now. You get to my information down here at the bottom. What I want you to basically see, though, in this video, if you click on the Shop Now button up here at the top, you're going to basically see all of the products that they have. Up here at the very top, there's subscriptions, and we'll talk about those. Then there's some materials for you to use to brand your business, to be able to go out and share this with others. Again, we'll get to that in a later video. Then you have basic bullion. Bullion is non-collectible. It's basically you're just buying the metal. And what I want to talk to you about here real quickly, if we just look at here on this American Silver Eagle, this is the US Silver Standard coin. And you'll see here a member price and your price. Your price is for an individual, let's say that just you referred them to your site. You'll receive a site just like this. This is a retail site. That means that they're going to pay $28.62 for this coin. But as a member, you're going to only pay $24.62 for this coin. Every single item that Mint Builder has for sale, for the members, they pay a wholesale price. This means you're always getting the wholesale price. And I'm going to do videos to show you just how powerful this is, with not only getting this and actually purchasing your own coins for yourself, but to be able to actually be able to even sell those to other people by getting some great prices. And one of the coins that I'm going to talk about is the American Eagle, the gold version of that. And today is June, today's June 7th. And the member price for a 1 ounce American Gold Eagle is $17.96.86. The retail price is $19.46.86. So as you can see, we're talking about on one single coin, especially this gold coin. Again, this is the industry US standard for the American Eagle. That's $150 off of that coin for all members. Very, very important. I'm going to make a video exclusively on this and just how important that is. But as you start coming down here, then you start getting into some of the semi-numismatic assets. And these are somewhat collectible, but not inherently collectible. Then you get to all of the very collectible numismatic assets. And again, I will do videos on a lot of this, but I just want in this video to get you having a feeling for it. They also have jewelry and gifts. These are very, very cool. I think a lot of them, they have money clips. I like a lot of these watches. A lot of this stuff is really, really cool. But again, the member price, especially like on the watches, are really neat, right? The member price and the retail price. Look at the disparity between these two, right? Obviously, there's a tremendous opportunity as a member to purchase a watch such as this for $117 and to sell it for quite a bit more. We'll get into videos about that. Very, very powerful what this company can do. And last but not least, we get down to accessories. These are for storage of coins. But at the very, very bottom is another very, very important thing. A lot of people in these types of businesses deal with, let's say there's a lot of health products out there. So you have companies such as Herbalife, let's say, that have a lot of different products. With Mint Builder, they also offer this juice that, again, you can go out and you can sell to people. But again, very, very timely for what's going on today is what they have recently added, this emergency serving long-term food storage, where again, you're getting as a member a tremendous discount for this, but to be able to go out and be able to promote this product in a retail aspect, that you're able to, again, gain a commission directly off of individuals just by selling it. And these are great prices that they provide you. But you can even save, preparing yourself and your family with long-term food storage as well. So this company is very, very engaging. Matt Barkus is the CEO and president of Mint Builder. He's constantly engaged, constantly asking, what can we do to help people, especially in this time of need? And he is stepping up to the plate. And I just wanted to do this quick video to introduce you to it. In our next videos, we're going to just go into all of these specifics, a couple at a time, a few minutes at a time, to get you up to speed as quick as possible. I appreciate your time. I'll see you on the next video.